I'm going to talk to you all a little bit about knowledge of self. The African proverb goes, freedom comes from understanding who you are. Know thyself. Man, know thyself. The 2026 remix says, man, woman, and child, know thyself. And I had a professor as a student at Howard University over a decade ago. He told us in class one day, the most important knowledge that you can acquire is knowledge of self. Now, knowledge of self, that's a very broad concept, very broad idea. That can mean any number of things. Most of the time when we think about knowledge of self, we think about who we are as far as our history, our people. We put labels on ourselves such as race, ethnicity, religion. But how many of us go internally? I combine the ancient metaphysical science of astrology and numerology to help you answer those questions about who you are and what's your purpose. Now you might be wondering, what's Astro-Numerology? Most of us are familiar with astrology. Everybody knows their zodiac sign. I think yesterday or the day before we just crossed over into Leo season. Any Leos out there?
Nope, but we got a Sagittarius.
Big Sag.
How about your Virgo? I'm a Capricorn.
I'm the 16th.
When it comes to Astro-Numerology, you're a zodiac sign, but you're also a number too. And that comes from two levels. In astrology, each planet, each zodiac sign is ruled by a number, and vice versa. Then in numerology, you can take your name and your birthday and the numbers in your name and your birthday.